Okay, so let's look at question 2. Okay, so you are given an expression like that. Now you want to simplify this Boolean expression using K-map method. Okay, so we do it step by step. Okay, so now we want to fill in the 1 and 0 in the K-map. Okay, to do it, you just do it one by one. Okay, so you look at this product C bar B bar A. So it's the same thing. Okay, C bar B. Okay, this C bar B here is this row, right? And then the A bar is this column, correct? So C bar B and A bar, you have this one. So this location is where you write the 1. Okay, can you write this one is write the 1 here inside your K-map? So basically it's come from here lah. Okay, C bar B and A. You have to submit later on. Okay, so next we do the next product here. Okay, let me proceed. Okay, so if you want to do the C bar B, basically C bar B, correct? C bar B is this row, right? Then you have the A. A is this column. So the intersection here identified the location for you to fill in the 1. So you have the 1 here. Okay, so you fill in the 1. So can you all fill in the rest, class? Can you all fill in the rest? Later on, you have to submit the entire K-map. Fill in the rest. That means you have to now you do this the third one. Okay, you do the third one. One by one you do. Okay. Just now we have done first one, second one. Now you do the third one, fourth one, and fifth one. So all together, you should see 5 failures. Okay, 5 ones inside the K-map. Right. You look at the next one, CBA. Okay. CBA will be here. Okay. So if you have done it correctly, in the end you should have 5 ones. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because it corresponds to 5 products here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So next, we have to fill in the blank square. Okay. Down here there are 3 blank square. So what we fill in for this blank square? So for binary, it's either 0 or 1. So all the blank square will be filled in with 0. Next, we will proceed to do the looping. Okay, so as usual, I will write the C bar bracket here. This is a C. This is B and B bar. Okay, then I do the looping. So for example, I loop these 2 fellows here, and then these 2 here, and the top and bottom I can loop in this way. How to do the looping, I have already discussed in question 1, so I will not explain. Then from this loop, you will have this expression here. Finally, next thing I want to let you know is there are 2 possible answers for this question. This is the one that we have just discussed, and another possible solution is over here. And what is the difference? The difference is the looping here. For this one, this fellow here is looped to loop with the other one in this way, and as a result, this loop contribute to this product C B bar. And for this one here, this fellow is looped with the top one, particularly in this way, and as a result, you get C A. So you can see this is the difference in the expressions. The other expressions like BA, B bar A, they are exactly the same. So for assessments such as common tests, you only need to provide one of the solutions and you will still get full mark. Thank you.